Just used it on my bum. Good morning. We are now going to Chiang Mai. Welcome to Chiang Mai. This is the first time I've been here, so let's go check into the hotel, get a shower, because there's no aircon on that train. It was just fans and windows, and obviously the sun was on my back the whole journey. Welcome to VIP house. Now, not a problem, but a point to make. This is supposed to be called VIP house. That's the name of the hotel. No aircon. That's not very VIP to me. So we've done it again. We've managed to book another room without aircon. This has never happened to me in my life since I've been coming to Thailand. And I've been here like 20 times, maybe more, I don't know. I've never booked a room without aircon. And now it's happened like 3 or 4 times. Anyway, enough of that. This is the room then. So my big bed is 2 single beds. We've got quite a bit of space, to be fair. There's a fridge there. And then there's a wardrobe. Got a few coat hangers. I don't know if that door opens, but oh, it's a little balcony. It does open, so we could probably go out and have a look at the balcony. And then the bathroom. Now, this is a bit So we come into the bathroom. You got the sink, the mirror, the toilet, but look where the shower is. So I'm going to be stood here having a shower next to the toilet. We're going to make it work. Right, I just want to point something out. So I did a video, like a short video, showing a bum gun in a hotel that I stayed in, I can't remember when or where. And the gun was really powerful, right? We've got another one. Check this out, right? Imagine this blasting your ass after you've just had a poo, right? Watch this. It's so powerful, it moves your hand back. And then look at that. That's mad. And yes, that did hurt because I've just used it on my bum. I just wanna be never say I am. Not calling anyone else. Not wanting to. See, the girls are holding pigeons and feeding them and getting selfies. Not sure I'd want to do that with a pigeon. Anyway, what is the plan? So, Chiang Mai, we're here for 3 days. It's kind of almost afternoon now, so we've kind of lost half a day because I was in bed being lazy. We're gonna go to a tour place and hopefully get on some tours for the day 2 and day 3. About this pigeon. But today we're going to go to the top of a mountain. It's not the highest point here, but there is that hill here, as in the highest mountain in Thailand is not far from here, so we might get that on day 2 or day 3. So stick around for that. Anyway, let's go find this tour centre thing and we'll see what they've got. But I've just stopped off at the Moat House for a cheese melt and a banana smoothie, and then we'll go. So Chiang Mai Tour Centre is the place that I've been recommended by a Google search. So let's go see what they have. Wow, they've got loads. Okay, we have secured a all-day trip to the highest mountain in Thailand. We're doing that on the next video. But for now, I was in that tour place talking to the lady and she was just pointing me out a few things locally here. So instead of going to the other mountain thing that I was going to go to, we're probably going to the better one in the next video. So I thought we could stay around here and we'll check out the few of the places that she mentioned and then see what happens. And another thing, this thing lasts all day from 7 a.m. till about 7 p.m. and then tomorrow when we've done it, that will also be the Champions League final, so I'll be going to the pub to watch that, but you will have already known what's happened because this was like 2 weeks ago or something, or a week ago, something like that. So this city is like, there's a big square in the middle, which is like right in the centre. And I'm just on the southwest corner. Look what we've just stumbled upon. Another nice little cool park. There's lots of these kind of places in Thailand, it seems, you know, in the cities. So I think we might have to have a little chill out. Bit of time here. Because this sun is beating down again. And it is hot. Thankfully, hopefully in the next video, because we're so high up, it'll be a bit cooler. Or we might just run and jump into that. It's time to go out. I've had a shower. Let's go get some beers and some food. I'm thinking Western food though tonight because I've eaten a lot of Thai food recently. I mean, admittedly it's mostly been fish. I've eaten loads of fish. But I fancy something a bit like burgerish maybe, something like that. Anyway, we'll go find some food.